Hey beauty, it's Ash and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I hope you decided to hit that subscribe button down below for more videos. And if you're not new here, then thank you so much for coming back. Ow! I don't think you guys know how much I love not only this look, but my hair. My gosh, dude. Okay, so obviously if you've been following me for a while, like my hair has been pretty much like the same color forever. The last time that I colored my hair was like in high school, and that was like 2006. Okay, like, honey. So my beautiful Lavon, she's the one that does my hair. She's the owner of the Therapy Studio. So I'll go ahead and link her information down below if you guys want to go and check her out. She knows her hair, okay? And she hooked me up. Okay, I can't get over it. I can't. All right, so today's look is this freaking cold girl makeup. Dude, I didn't even know that was a thing until my cousin, shout out to Chelsea. Ooh, that's my honey. Okay, so she's the one who told me that I should try this look. And I'm not even gonna freaking lie. I was like, after I saw it, yep, I'm gonna do that right now. So obviously this is how the look came out. I'm obsessed. I love it. I think it looks so freaking cute. Tell me in the comments if you love this color or not, because I've been thinking about going back to my regular just dark hair, but not even gonna lie, with this makeup look, I'm with it. I'm with it. Anyways, so if you do want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Love you. So I'm going to plump my lips with this Too Faced lip injection and bubblegum yum before I do my brows. I'm going to take this LA Girl clear brow gel and I'm going to just brush my brows up so that way I can get them set how I want them to be. And then this NYX Professional Makeup Pencil. I really like this because it's super thin and it's like flat. So I love the way that it really just helps shape the brow. And it looks super natural, and I actually don't get super oily brows whenever I use this product. So this is one of my favorites. And I think this pencil is only like $7. So dude, that's so affordable. So now I'm going to clean up my brows with this Protouch Full Cover Concealer in the shade Cool Toffee. I'm going to just put it all over my lid before I take a flat brush and then just spread it everywhere and make sure it's nice and even. I love using a flat brush because of how precise you can get under the brows. And then next, to make sure that everything is super blended and there's not a lot of excess product, I'm going to use a beauty blender and blend it out. Next, as always, I'm going to go ahead and set my lids with this Airspun translucent powder. I like using translucent powder on my face and on my eyelids before any other colors, so that way it doesn't change the base. Now that the brows are done, I'm going to take this Urban Decay Quick Fix Hydra Charged Complexion Prep Priming Spray. Oh my gosh. I'm going to prep my skin with this damn spray. And then this Master Prime by Face Studio. I don't know if they still sell this, but I've had this for a while, and I love the glow that your skin gets after you use this. So I'm going to just apply this all over my face. Do you see how like luminous that is? It's gorgeous, darling. Next is my holy grail, the LA Girl Pro Conceal in orange. So I'm going to color correct the darkness underneath my eyes. I'm using my ring finger so that way there's super light pressure and I'm just tapping. I got a little peach fuzz above my lip and then these little dark spots on the sides of my face. I'm going to blend that out with the beauty blender just so that way it looks not so orange, you know, just more subtle. Next, I'm going to take these Covergirl Outlast foundations. I like to mix because I'm mixed. So my perfect shade is not ever going to be in just one bottle. So I mix them together and then I very lightly spread it around my face. I'm trying to avoid the color corrector on my cheeks so that way I don't disrupt it. And then I'm going to go ahead and use a brush and just go ahead and tap that in. So I use the tapping method so that way I can keep the full coverage. And then when I want to spread the product around my face is when I use very, very light swiping motions. Now with this beauty blender, I'm going to go ahead and just suck up any excess product that could be sitting on top of my skin. I have super oily skin, so any excess is literally going to make me crease. It's going to make me look greasy, cakey, and just disgusting. So now with this Tarte Shape Tape, you know this concealer's the bomb. I use it in Tan Sand, and I'm going to just go ahead and apply right here in the front, and then I'm going to uplift my eyes on the very end, and then between my brows, over my lip, once again to hide my peach fuzz. Alright, so now I'm going to set my face real quick, and then I'm going to blend out this concealer. I love using a beauty blender underneath my eyes because I still get full coverage, and it blends so seamlessly that it looks natural, but then it also soaks up any excess product, so then I don't just have like a bunch of stuff all over my face. Next, I'm going to take this Anastasia foundation stick in the color Earth, and I'm going to use this for my contour. I'm going to put it along my nose. Kier says hi. And then I'm going to put it along my cheekbones. Good job. And my forehead. Now underneath my lip and along my jawline. And then I'm going to blend this out with a beauty blender. I love to tap around in circles because I feel like it kind of sculpts your cheekbone. And I don't know how I fumbled that blender. But yeah, so you'll see me tapping, and then I start going along my face around in like a circle. And then for my forehead, I blend it up into my hairline. So that way it just focuses on my forehead alone. It doesn't come down too far. And then along my jawline, I'll drag it downward so that way it looks really, really chiseled. Now for the fun part. This is the She Glam Liquid Blush in Swipe Right. And I'm going to dab that along my nose, along my cheekbones. And this is just so freaking cute. And then along my chin, of course. So adorable. All right, and then I'm going to spray, and then I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender. Now that that's all done, I'm going to take this banana powder to set underneath my eyes. I'm so dramatic. I do this every time though. And then I'll tap inside the lid and then put it directly underneath my eyes. So I'm going to just focus this underneath my eyes alone, so that way I don't disrupt the blush too much and then like lose the pigment. Now I'm setting my face with a translucent powder from Airspun. And like I said, I like doing this so that way it doesn't change the color of my foundation. It stays pretty true. And then I'm still going around the blush and just setting my face everywhere. I hella forgot that I put that underneath my lips, so I'm glad I noticed it before I set that. And then I'm going to bring it down my neck. Alright, so now for the Maxi Blush by Rimmel London. This is in the color Wild Card. I think this color is so freaking beautiful, and I honestly thought I was going to be overwhelmed with the amount of blush that I had to put on, but it actually came out so freaking cute. So I'm going to set my face, let that dry a little bit, and then now I'm going to use this Freck Please from She Glam, and I'm going to just put in all my beauty marks, and then just add a little extra, of course, because we're extra, duh. But it's so cute. All right, next I'm going to take this Carly Bybel palette by Anastasia, and I'm going to use this color Chai, and I'm going to just put it all over my lid, all in my crease, just everywhere. It's super soft, super light, and it's kind of pinky, so it blends really, really well with the blush. And then, of course, I'm going to add even more blush to my eyelids. And it's powder, so you could use it just like shadow, but it just kind of pulls it all together as like a whole pinky vibe. This is the color Moo and then Bali, so I'm going to mix those together to get the iciness, so that way we look like frosted cold. And this actually came out perfect. So I love the way it blends and the way that it's pigmented because I used my finger. So I'm spreading that all over my lid and everything. And then I'm going to go in with this flat brush, and I'm going to just kind of add a softer iciness, not as pigmented, but like still there, you know, subtly there. Next, I'm going to just continue with my face, the tip of my nose. I'm gonna do my cheekbones, my upper lip, everything just looks super frosted and glowy. Oh, and of course, underneath the brows. Can't forget to highlight your brows. And like when I do my cheekbones, I love using my fingers because I feel like the powder just melts it into your skin. It's not just a bunch of highlighters sitting on top of everything else. So you'll always see me do this. Now with this Too Faced dark chocolate matte bronzer, I'm gonna just do my nose, and then with the blush, I'm gonna just put that blush in the center of my lips, and then with this LA Girl lip liner, it's kind of like a burgundy, but I wanted to give my lips some depth. So the inside of my lips, as you see, is gonna be that pinky blush tone, and then the outside, just to give my lips some definition, is gonna be just like the dark burgundy. For mascara today, we're using the Maybelline Total Temptation, and I'm going to just put a nice coat on the top of the bottom lashes before I put my falsies on. And now for lashes. I don't remember whose lashes these are, so you're just going to see me apply them. But they look bomb, dude. They're not too thick. They're not too freaking long. Like, I think these were perfect. And, ooh, yes! Yes, honey. Absolutely. I agree, baby. All right, so now for the lips, finishing off. This is the Kylie lip gloss. This is in Slept On. This is one like the mini glosses from a holiday collection. And we're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think this look is so freaking cute. Love you guys. See you next time.